Good morning student. We have the next topic, logarithmic differentiation. First of all, we should know that in logarithmic differentiation, when we'll use logarithm term. Okay, so we have some special condition here. First condition is if the function with the power of some function, the function with some function having power, in this format we use the logarithmic differentiation. Second one, that if we have function multiplied with function or in terms of differentiation or in the terms of division also. It means if we have two terms in multiplication order, then we use product rule, but if we have more than two, we'll use the logarithmic differentiation. Correct? So look at in this question, first question of 5.5, that y equals to here cos x, cos 2x and then cos 3x. Now we have three functions in multiplication order, first, second and third. That's why we use the logarithmic differentiation here. So how to use? First you write down here, taking logarithm both sides. Taking logarithm both sides, then you do here, it will be log x log y equals to log cos x cos 2x and then cos 3x. Then you do that log y equals to, when it's the formula of log, that when some terms are multiplying inside the bracket log m into n, then it will be like log x log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. You all know about this term, that when we have log m into n, it will be log m plus log n. Now write differentiate with respect to x. So it will become log y. So it will be your d of log y with respect to d of y, then d of y with respect to dx, equals to, it is d of log cos x divided by d of cos x and then d of cos x with respect to dx. Similarly, log cos 2x, it will be d of log cos 2x divided by d of cos 2x into d of cos 2x divided by d of x, and then plus, it is plus d of log cos 3x divided by d of cos 3x and then d of cos 3x divided by d of x. Okay, then log y, it will be your 1 by y dy by dx, equals to, it is what, d of log x, it will become 1 by cos x. Then d of cos x is what? It is minus sin x, plus d of cos 2x, it is 1 by cos 2x and then cos 2x is what? Minus sin 2x, and differentiation of 2x is 2, plus cos 3x 1 by cos 3x and then differentiation of cos is minus sin 3x and then 3x is 3. So we have the term like that. Okay, then I am doing it here. Equals to, then dy by dx equals to, now this divided by y will go to the right hand side and it will become y into, now sin by cos, it is minus tan x, then plus minus minus 2 sin 2x by cos 2x tan 2x and then it is what? Minus 3 tan 3x. Then you put the value of y here. So what is the value of y? Y is simply cos x cos 2x cos 3x into, you write down this term in the bracket. This is the answer of dy by dx. over. Then we'll have the second type of question. This is the first type of question when we have more than two terms. Now the second type of question. So first you write down taking logarithm both side. Since we have this function with function, that's why we use logarithm. So log y equals to log, then log x to the power cos x. Then it is log y equals to, now log m to the power n. We have log m to the power n. The formula is n log m. So cos x into log of log x. Now it is in the form of u into v. So I am doing directly. Log y is it 1 by y dy by dx equals to u into v. U constant, differentiation of v. So log x differentiation is 1 by log x and log x differentiation is 1 by x, plus v constant, so log of log x constant, and cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Then dy by dx equals to, y will be multiplied here, so y into cos x divided by x log x, and then plus minus minus sin x into log of log x. Then you put the value of y is log x to the power cos x, and you write all this term in this bracket.